Stairs. Come on, somebody.
Okay, recording
They
ready.
excited
So
about your house, even though theirs got foreclosed on.
Today is 14/23, 10 September.
Shepherd's message. That's
Whatever
what
day,
friends
right?
are for.
2021.
But until
There's the
then,
time.
enjoy your weekend and remember,
Turn that thing
he
down
who
a bit.
began a
There we go.
good
Turn
work
that
in
down
you
some.
will bring it to
And then let me warm this back up. So here is, you can see that? Not real well. I can't see it. Okay, there's the box with, anyway, there's the original speakers. And, well, whatever. I'll make a better picture of that. And then, of course, 3 weeks ago I shot that video, how to take the speakers apart on the darn thing, right? But anyway, so, and then, I can't remember where okay, here it is. So, the Sanyo, where is it? Okay, you can see all that. Anyway, so much for that. Bottom line here is that I put new speakers in this thing. Okay, so here we are at work, and here's a Christian radio station. Wait, turn up the volume. It's about how loud the speakers get.
1.3.
There's that. So let me zoom into this a bit. I don't want to sell that music.
Freemoney.com directly into the address bar. That's 43money.com. 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 Non-attorney spokesperson and sponsored by Open Jar Concepts. Attention veterans and active duty military. If you were issued earplugs between 2002 and 2016.
Hey, look it out. Air Conditioning and Heating Studios. This is Classical 101.
Put the tape. And then, of course, this got music search, so hit the rewind button. And while that's doing that, I could, oh, there it went. That was the beginning of that song. So I can just ram this up. That's full blast. Of course, we're outside, you know. Pretty good bass out of that little box there. And it's obviously running on batteries. It's a, what here? Let me just put it up here. It's I can't even see it. It's too dark, but it's a Sanyo MR-FF2. Alright, so that's what it sounds like from the backside. Got the, can't see the speakers. There it is. We fast forward it to the next song. Let's get away from that one, how about? Try a different song. It is full blast and full bass, so it could be louder with a little bit less bass to it. So, I don't even know what song this is. And that's just that speaker. And that's just that speaker. I gotta go drive a bus, deliver some students. All right, good day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Bye-bye.